Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So welcome to my virtual podcast, and today we have a really amazing guest. We have my mom over here. And in this virtual podcast, what I'm doing is I'm getting different guests, I'm getting different speakers who are going to share their live testimonials with you. So even if you're confused a bit, if you're a bit doubtful, you can check these videos which will really help you. And so without any delay, let's invite my mom. So let us get started with the main question. So you started this weight loss how many years back? When did you start?
So, 18 years back in the year 2003.
18 years back, 2003. So tell us your journey of how you started with Herbalife and how everything was with you. So tell us each and every detail, like how you got started, who introduced you, and when did you get proper confidence that this is going to work for you?
So I was introduced to Herbalife like I was looking for working from home. So I came across this paper ad, and then when I went to the meeting, what attracted to me the meeting was about the products. In first time in 25 years, I heard about something called as nutrition. So weight loss through nutrition. So before coming into Herbalife or using the products, I was trying to lose my weight. I had been 2 times to obesity clinics, diet pills, whatever was offered in the market, I would try. I would lose weight, but again I would equally bounce back. But when with Herbalife, when I saw the testimonials, like having this shakes as a meal replacements, people started losing weight. Not only losing weight, they are able to have good health. That attracted me the most. So that's how I joined this company.
Wow, that's amazing. So I have a picture of you. So
Yeah.
this is you, right?
Yes, this was me at the age of 25 years.
25. Okay. And tell us about this picture. Like what like you said, you're age 25. So how were you feeling during this age? And what was
So I
I
was not feeling very great. Like already I had 2 children, and then I was suffering with migraine, IBS problems, and severe acidity attacks. So I used to use a lot of medicines. For one problem, I have to use another medicine. Like that way, I used to use in a day 21 tablets. So that was my scene, and I was like not an active mother. Always tired and not very active actually.
Oh wow. So after that, when you started Herbalife, what really inspired you the most? Like that you have to change yourself.
I wanted to be healthy because at the age of 25, being 25, I was not looking like a 25-year-old. I was feeling very old from inside, not active at all. And I could perceive if I'm going to be like this, I will end up having different problems. Because for me, health was the major priority. Already I am suffering. I didn't want it to suffer even further. So yeah, Herbalife has helped me a lot to come out of these kind of issues.
So then, before Herbalife, did you use anything, or Herbalife was your first choice? Like before Herbalife, did you try anything?
Yeah, before Herbalife, I'd been 2 times to obesity clinics, diet pills, any kind of diet which comes in the newspaper or magazines. I will seriously try, thinking that I'm going to put off my weight, but I would lose weight. But again, when the day I stop that diet or anything, immediately has to bounce back.
Okay. And so, can you tell any specific movement you like, compared to that one and this one, compared to your previous diets, and now what is the main difference that will actually decide, like, compared to your previous diets and now, what is something so special in Herbalife that you made, like, you decided to stay with this?
So before using Herbalife products, when I used to do dieting, I was deprived of food. There was nothing called as eating fruits or non-veg or anything, like no food. So I was deprived completely. But with Herbalife, when I started having the shakes, I started feeling much better. And then there was a great encouragement that you can eat your fruits, you can eat your vegetables, you can eat a good meal, but a balanced meal. So that those were the things which attracted me the most.
Wow. So now let us talk about your transformation. So this is your before and after, and of course that is me in the side. So tell us about your transformation. Like what did people start seeing in your transformation, and did it change your life, or did it was it the same after that? What changes did you feel in lifestyle?
So there were a lot of changes in my lifestyle. One is I started becoming active, and after losing weight, I started having a lot of compliments. In fact, like before, when I was at the age of 25, I was not looking like a 25-year-old, but I was looking beyond my age. But after using these products, and over the period of time, I started looking younger and much better.
And so after your transformation, was there, like you said, you had some problems, no? Like any health problem which improved after transforming yourself?
Yeah, I got rid of acidity, I got rid of my IBS problems, I got rid of my migraine attacks.
Wow. And also tell us about your lifestyle. Did your lifestyle change after that?
Of course, yes.
And which kind of lifestyle? Like, tell us what all changes did you start getting? Like, people started seeing you differently. Are you working out more?
Yeah, before I was very passive and not an enthusiastic person, but now, like as I've crossed my 40, I'm more livelier. I am like I feel like I'm very enthusiastic of life, and exercises is part of every single day.
That's really amazing. So yeah, one final question. So do you feel like a lot of people have a lot of questions? Is there side effects, or should I really trust these products? What do you feel like? Should you? What do you want to tell those people? Because naturally you've been using for the last 18 years, so you will have an idea about this.
Nobody can build your trust. You need to trust yourself. I trusted the word called as nutrition. Since I tried using other things, like what if you are a serious customer, you will do whatever you want. That's how I was. But when I heard the word nutrition for the first time, I was like, this is something really great, and this is something really the best of the best. And if people really want to use the product and have a wonderful result, you should blindly trust yourself, have faith in yourself, that you can with using this wonderful nutrition, you can lose your weight, and you can also become a much better person.
Very good. And sorry, one more last question. So did you started helping a lot of people, and how many people do you think you helped with your one result? Like, give us an answer. Because this is 18 years, obviously you help a lot of people. So estimate.
Yeah. So in my last 18 years, I don't have the count how many people we have helped. But of course, yes, I started spreading out my stories. I started telling about my story to everybody, whoever comes across. So that's how we built a big community around us.
Wow, that's really great. So thank you so much, Mom, for joining me in this call. I hope a lot of housewives who are watching this are really confident with themselves. And I hope like a lot of people get confidence that, even at the age of 25 or maybe the age of 42, there's still hope. There's like, you don't have to give up so soon. So thank you so much, Mom, for joining this call. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you for more amazing content like this, do subscribe, do like this video, and you can also check the playlist where I'm going to post more amazing things like this. So thank you so much and stay tuned. Thank you so much.